Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of small phone screens ruining movie night, bulky projectors that take forever to set up, or weak sound that kills the vibe, then get ready to project big. Because today we're reviewing the TMY 4K projector with Wi-Fi Bluetooth. This portable mini projector delivers native 1080p clarity with 4K support, powerful built-in speakers with Bluetooth for rich audio, Wi-Fi screen mirroring for easy streaming, 180-degree rotatable design for flexible angles, compact size, perfect for travel or bedroom use, and simple one-button operation. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a projector that's truly portable, sounds great, and makes big screen entertainment effortless anywhere, this is the one that'll upgrade your movie nights and presentations. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the TMY 4K projector with Wi-Fi Bluetooth. This projector has a tiny, modern design that's super lightweight and fits in your hand or backpack with a durable build that travels well. It supports native 1080p resolution with 4K decoding for sharp, vibrant visuals, even in moderate light. And the rotatable head or keystone correction lets you project on ceilings, walls, or floors without moving the whole unit. The built-in speakers with Bluetooth deliver surprisingly rich, loud audio for its size, so you can enjoy movies without extra speakers. It connects easily via Wi-Fi for screen mirroring from your phone, HDMI for laptops or consoles, and USB for media playback. The simple interface has one-button control and auto features for quick setup. It runs cool and quiet and comes with a remote for convenient control from the couch. Setup is effortless. Plug it in or use wireless, point it, connect your device, and start watching. Priced around $100, it's excellent value with solid performance. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are projection perfection, true portability with compact size for anywhere use, sharp 1080p picture with 4K support for clear visuals, flexible rotation for creative setups, strong built-in Bluetooth speakers for immersive audio without extras, easy Wi-Fi mirroring and one-button operation, and affordable price for the quality. Users rave about the convenience, clear visuals, and how it turns any space into a theatre. On the con side, brightness is good for indoor use, but not ideal for very sunny rooms. Battery is not built in, so needs power outlet for long sessions. Speakers are solid, but not audiophile level for large spaces. And fan noise can be noticeable in silent scenes. A few mention setup for Wi-Fi mirroring takes a minute to learn, but overall, the pros dominate for portable entertainment. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the TMY 4K projector with Wi-Fi Bluetooth if you want easy, big screen fun anywhere. And the pros like portability, sound, and flexibility make sense for you. It's perfect for movie nights, camping, presentations, or small apartments. Before we wrap, if these reviews light up your entertainment, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who loves movies, or subscribe for more. See you next time!